Welcome everyone. Good day, guys. I'm Prof. Sammy, and I'm your host and instructor for this video editing tutorial. So today we'll be creating an intro video. Yes, for every video, advert, or publication, you need an introduction. Okay, so how do we go about that? Now, I said your intro video must be pretty short, yes, and it should carry the features like the name of the brand, animation, transition, and just music. But we won't be adding music with this. We'll just be creating the video. Later on, we're going to add music with another video editing app. So this will be pretty short and simple. This app is very easy to use. Okay, it's the Legend Intro app. So what you do is just, I've opened mine already, so you open yours. Just follow what I'll be doing in this video. I'll make it very short and well detailed. Okay, so just follow what I'll be doing, and after you've created exactly what I created, then you can go ahead and explore and do be creative and create as many as possible. You can actually do this for an intro and an outro video. Yes, you can also do it for outro too. Okay, so whatever you're having on the intro, you can do same for outro. Okay, so now the first thing we do is to look at all these templates. So where we're having this okay, I'll take up my tool. So this place I'm pointing to, this is where I have my videos all saved, all the videos I've done. If I click on it, if I click on that point I pointed, you can see all these are the videos I've done. But for you, since you're just a new user, beginner, fresher, you won't have any videos there because you've not done any videos. These are videos I've done in the past. Okay, these are intro videos. Okay, so now I'll be taking us up pretty fast. So we have trending. These are the templates. You can click on any one and use. We have new. These are new ones. You can see, just play around with them. We have special. These are special ones. I've used this particular one that you have title. You have used this before. These are suggested. The one is suggested for you, you can use this, and these are animated. Okay, so now what we'll be doing is we'll be using the trending. Okay, so we'll just click on new. So just click on just select anyone. Let's just select anyone suggested. Okay, let's just take up anyone. Let's take up anyone, or let me come back to trending. Okay, so let me just take up anyone. Let me just take up anyone. So pick up anyone, and then when you pick it up, the next thing you will see is edit animation. Okay, edit animation. Yes, you wait for it to load, and you click on this edit animation. Okay, so I click on edit animation, and when I do that, it's going to pop out this. Now I'll be explaining all these icons that you're seeing one after the other. Okay, just follow along. So your style is where you have the different kind of styles you want your text. This text your company presents, what kind of form you want it to take. Okay, so you can play around with that. Then we have the intro. Now this is where I want to focus on. This is where I want to be focusing on. That is the intro. Okay, so now we have different forms of intro. Okay, so I'll just pick up anyone. Okay, so I think just for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just work with me, then later on you can come and try out some other ones. Okay, so I'll be picking up this. Okay, I'll be picking up I'll be selecting this. Okay, so I've picked it up already. The next thing I'll do is I'll leave out the font. Okay, because if you pick any font, it will tell you will lose your data, so just leave out the font. Okay, this is just a simple app. This is just a beginner's class. We still have other apps for creating intro videos, but this is just a beginner's class. Okay, so just leave out the fonts, then come to text where you have text. Yes, so you edit the legend. Where you have legend, you edit it and put your business name or your business brand. Okay, so we are working with Divine Fabrics. So Divine Fabrics. Then if you see you can see that the Divine Fabrics, you can see that it's it's not, look at, it's cutting, it's not showing fully. my divine is not it's not showing fully. So what do? I will have to come to this point. I have to come to this point where I have this arrow pointed and reduce it so that the words can fit in. Okay, so I'll just come here, hold it down and hold it back a bit. Okay, still cutting and just hold it back a bit. Okay, forward, just readjust till you get that perfect you get the perfect fit, that till it fits in. Okay, still cutting. Yeah, okay, this is cool. All right, so I come to where I have intro maker. I'll do the same thing, then I'll just say put my tagline, home of fabrics. Okay, so every business got to have a tagline. Okay, so I'll just put the home of. I think I'm okay with the size of this text. I can increase if you want to, you can increase if you want to, but I'm okay with this. So this is going to be like, okay, so the next thing I'll do now is I can change the color if I want to change the color. Yes, I can change the color of the text. If I'm not cool with white, you click on this white where you have white for this one, and also you click on this for this. So if you're not cool with the color, just click on the white. It will take you to this point. Now the white color, the color code, this is what they call the color code. Every color they have their respective code. This color code is white, FFFFF, that's F in 6 places. So if I want to change the color, I can either change by clicking this point to change edit the color code, or I come to where I have these presets. I come to where I have presets. Okay, I'll just click on it, then I'll see different colors. So I'll pick the colors I want. Okay, so I'll pick the colors I want, but I'm not changing the color. Okay, so if you want to change the color, you can change yours. Okay, so let me just try out one color for just practical sake. You can see that it has changed. Okay, so you could see, but I'm not changing the color, I'm still sticking with my whites. Okay, so let me just use my whites. So you can play around with the colors. Okay, so I'm using white for the sake of this. So when you're done with this, next thing you do is you scroll down. If I click on this color, the next icon, the color is to, if I select any color, that means I don't want this background. That's, I just want a colored background, just color, and all this animation will go off. So that's if you just want a colored background, you can just use the color straight up. Okay, but we're not using that. Okay, so then we come to where we have BG. Yes, these are backgrounds. Maybe if you want to use a background from here, or you can use your own background. Maybe if you have a background on your phone, you can click from gallery, then select the picture you want, and it will upload and it will be your background. But we're not using that for the sake of this video. You can try that out later. So we have animated. If I click on animated, it's gonna change. You want an animation, you want an animated intro, so everything's gonna go back to default, and you'll be using this, but we don't want to use that. So what we used was intro. This is what I am using. This is what I'm making use of, the intro. Okay, so that's what I'm making use of. All right, so I'll come back to where I have. So then we have settings. So I click this I want to work on now settings. Now where I have I want to set up my video, I want to add some features. Where I have this snow, you can see where I have this snow, you can see where I have this snow. Okay, where I have this snow, you can see it there. Then I have, look at this arrow points to where I have off. I'll just tap on it, tap on this, it will initialize, and it will be showing. Okay, it was showing as something not clicked before. So when I clicked it, everything is now. So what I will do is, if I click on this first one, look at what it's going to be giving me. It's going to be giving me bubbles. You can see now. If I click on the second one, you can see what's giving me. If I click on this, it's giving me this. If I click on this, it's giving me this. So you just play around with any one of them and see what fits. Okay, so but since we are following a prototype, you can look at now, we can use this star. You can see how beautiful it is. So just play around with it, but for the sake of this video, I think we're just using the bubbles. But I think I love this star. I love this star actually. It's looking cool. But let's just use the bubbles. But you can play around with it later on and do yours. Okay, so then we come to where we have I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so we'll come to where we have opacity, background opacity. This is to reduce the brightness of the background. If I go to the end, you can see my background is shiny. If I take it, if I take this and hold it backwards, I see my background is somehow blurred. So that's what it does. Okay, so I can just keep this animation. Okay, so yeah, so this is making sense. The custom size is to increase the size or reduce the size. If I tap this custom size, if I increase it, you can see increase, so I don't want this to increase. I want this to still, it's going to be affecting my test. I want it to still be the same way it is. Okay, so I just take it back. So let's just leave it the way it is. Okay, yeah. Oh, I don't want this, so I have to take this to the end. So you can just leave as the custom site the way it was before without touching it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is cool now. All right, so just leave out the moving horizontal and moving vertical. Just leave it out the way it is. Then we are done with this, so our video is ready. Okay, so but for you guys, you'll be seeing this point, because I'm just editing this video. I've done a video before. You'll be seeing the legend watermark at this point. It will be showing. So for you to remove it, all you have to do is just tap on the watermark. Okay, tap on the watermark, and then they will tell you remove by watching ad. So just watch one ad, 30 seconds, watch it, and the watermark will be removed, and then you can now export your video. So when we are done with this now, the next thing we do now is to export our video. So we click on this arrow pointing on that shows export, and then we export our video. So then I'll just click on this. I'll click on export, tap on it, then I'll select 720 or 1080, depending on the resolution. For 1080 you want your quality to be very high. 720 is still cool. 540 is the lowest resolution, so we'll be using, let's use 1080. Yeah, so I'll just select that one, and then you wait for it to load. Okay, so it's done. It has finished uploading, so our video is ready. Okay, so you just go to your gallery and then you share it to the groups. As simple as, so these are our videos going to look like. Isn't it lovely? Very lovely. Okay, so that's how to create an intro video. Okay, hello guys, it's me, Prof Sammy. So we have created the intro video. So in this clip I'll be teaching you how to add music to your intro video. We created the intro video there. We're not having any music, so you just come to the Inshot app. Okay, this is the Inshot app. So once you tap on the Inshot app, it will bring you to this point. So this is the app, as you can see. Okay, that's the Inshot app. So now what you do is you come here, you tap on video. Okay, so tap on video, you tap on video. Now for you, a new user, you're new to Inshot, you will not be seeing all this. All these are projects I have created. Okay, as you can see, you're seeing something like this. You're seeing something like 48 drafts. Okay, so these are videos I've edited. Okay, I've done more than this. I've deleted so many. So for you, if you don't see all these, don't bother, because you're a new user. So all you just need to do is just click on new. Okay, so just tap on new. Then when you tap on new, it will take to this point. So you can even do it for your Inshot. Is a very powerful app. Okay, Inshot is just used to combine or compile all your videos, okay, different videos, and put them together in one piece, and add effects, add music, add voiceover, add transitions, and so many things. Okay, I will not be diving too deep in I'm not going too deep, but I'll just show you pretty the purpose why we're here, just to add music. Okay, you can exploit on your own. So we can add photos, we can group photos. Okay, there's, but we're dealing with video. So the intro video that we created, so this is the intro video that we created. So your intro video you created, just go there, tap on it. Okay, then when you mark it, you come here, you click on this good sign. We already combine, you can combine more than one video, you can combine so many videos. Okay, so but we're just dealing with our intro video, so click on that good sign there, it will give you this. Now when you do that, you if I click on this play button, look at that button, it will play. Okay, but there's no sound. So what do we do now? We just add music. Now you can, if you check these features, that all these features that you are seeing here, they perform different functions. Okay, I don't want to start going into, if I look at, they have different functions. Okay, but we just want to add music. Okay, so but first thing I do is I need to change the size. So this is, come to this place where you have canvas. Okay, this place I'm pointing at canvas. So yeah, I need to change the size. So tap on that canvas. Now you expand this. Yeah, we want it to fill up this space. Yep. Okay, we want it to fill up the space. Is 1:1. Okay, or our video is 16:9, or you select, since your video is 16:9, is 16:9, that is, select 16:9. Yeah, If you want to leave it as 1:1, you'll be having this background. But I don't want that white background, so I'll just select. It's either I zoom it or I select is that I select this 16:9 that I have here, okay, or I leave it at 1:1 and I increase it here, increase it from here to the end. But I don't want that. I just select 16:9. You can also increase your own. Okay, let me click on the booster. Let me see how it's gonna be if I increase it. Let's see what we're going to be having all our text. Okay, I think this looks good. If you want it that way, okay, depending on your other videos, basically, yeah, if you want it to be like this, fine, no problem. But if you want it to be 16:9, and you can go ahead and increase it, okay, click on the good sign. So let me play and see. So yeah, basically let's leave it like this. Okay, yeah, it's giving us the you can see that it's looking fitted. It's giving us that same size we used when we're creating the intro video using legend intro. So now let's go to the main reason why we are here. Since we've talked about the size, we come here, we add music, we can add sticker, we can add text, okay, you can add text and all that things. But just tap on music, then you tap on music, you come to this point where you have tracks. Okay, so tap on tracks. Now you can select. Before that, let me go back. You can see that we have we can select tracks, can add effects, you can record your voice if you want to do voiceover, but we're just adding music, so I'll just select track. Okay, so select tracks. Then when you select tracks, you come to click on my music, tap on my music. Yeah, it's just pick any song. Okay, so I think I love this. I'm just gonna look for a song. Let me just put any song, and I don't have time to be searching for oh god, what music am I going to add now? Okay, let me just add this music. Let me just use this. So when you have seen the music you want to use, you just tap on the use. Okay, so tap on use. Yeah, so then when you do that, you now tap on this good sign. Okay, tap on that good sign and then play. So that's it. Now you can basically apart from that, you can also increase your music. So tap on you can tap on the music, tap on where you have music. Okay, tap on it. Then when you tap on it, you come to, you see the music that you added. Now you can see the layer of the music here. I see the layer. So yeah, so just tap on it, then it will give you these options that you are seeing. You can see these options. Okay, so what you just do is you click on edit. You can edit, or you can edit your music and add volume, or you can mute the volume. This means to mute the volume. Okay, you can mute the volume. So if I tap on this now, okay, you can come here, you can mute it and you don't want any volume. Okay, you can come here, you can increase it to 200%. Now if you want it to fade in, like it should fade in, you can use this, make use of that. You can see that there's an effect here when I was adding fading. Okay, so let me just do this first. So you can, but we don't want any fading. Okay, you can also fade out. You want it to fade out when it gets to a certain point, you can do that. But I guess increase the volume, click on the good sign, then can come to edit, tap on edit. It's the same thing. I've already done that. Click on the good sign, volume is the same thing. So edit of volume will take you, if you don't want the music anymore, you want to change it or you want to delete it, just come to this point where you have delete, just click on it. After you have tapped on the layer of the music, you can delete it. Okay, then yeah, I think that's basically that. If you want, okay, if you want to, maybe you want your music to start from, maybe you want, okay, let me come to edit. Now maybe you want your music to, you want to fast forward your music, you want it to start from, maybe you don't want to start from the beginning. Okay, just come to these points, look at these points. Okay, so just hold and drag. Okay, so this point is started from, is where the music will start from. If I click this good sign, look at, click the good sign. Now look at, So it's not starting from the beginning because I have moved the music. Okay, so you can do that. It's not compulsory that your music starts from the beginning. Okay, you can always move your music. Okay, you can always fast forward it. Okay, so that's that. Let me see how okay, so that's okay, that's cool. Now you can see that the music extended, but it doesn't mean because our clip ends. Okay, you can add, okay, in case you have, okay, we don't need this actually. So just you can come here and, okay, you want the clip to end, you can just tap on, this is the playhead, this is why they call the playhead. Okay, where the playhead is this horizontal line you're seeing. So just tap on your music, then come to split. Okay, we want to remove the mini part of the music, come to split, it will split it. Then when you split it, tap on this the other parts that is splitted that you don't want. Okay, that is outside of this of the, okay, so just tap on that. When you tap on that, then delete. So that's all, and then click on the good sign. So you're home and dry. So perfect. So let's click on the beginning. So you see, looking cool. So that's how to add music. When you're done, now you'll be having the InShot app. Sorry, you'll be having the InShot. In case you see the InShot watermark, yeah, you see, in case you see the InShot watermark, okay, in case you see it there, if you're using the free version of InShot, just tap on the watermark, just tap on it, and then they will tell you, you will see the pro, and then remove watermark. You just tap on watch advert, just watch advert to remove the watermark. Okay, so in case you see that, but I'm not having, I don't think I'm having any watermark on mine. So yeah, so when you're done with everything, to save now is very simple. Just come here and click on that arrow pointing to save. So tap on that save, rather tap on save. So you see this. Now let me quickly explain what resolution. Resolution simply means the quality of your video, how high or how low the quality of a video is. So normally it's at default by 1080. Okay, so we should leave it like that because that's the highest and best quality. But if you see that the MB is too much, like look at this now, 20.9 MB, which is quite much, you can come here, you can tap on this arrow, okay, tap on that arrow, then you will see to give you options. Now 1080 rather is the best quality, but you can also use 720. Yes, 720 is standard, is also a standard quality. The 1080 is high quality, 720 is standard quality. Don't go below 720 because your video will start looking blurry and it should not be too blurry, and it won't be unique, like it won't be professional. So let me select 720, and if I do that, you can see that the MB has reduced from 20 to 90.4 M. Why this frame rate is simply the texture of your video do not that important, but just leave it at 30. Okay, if I come to 25, it will still reduce. 24, it will still reduce, but just leave it at 30 or 25 preferably. So 9.4 M is not too much. 10 MB, which is equal, or let me take it to 25. Yeah, okay, I think we'll go with this. So when you're done with that, next thing you do is just hit the save button and save. And then when you save, I like to initialize converting video, and that's all. So when it saves, it goes to your gallery, straight up to your gallery. So from your gallery, you go there and share it, or you can share it directly from here. It's already saved. You can see that it's telling us saved. Okay, but you can decide to just move and then share straight to, you can tap on WhatsApp. If you want to share directly to WhatsApp, just tap on WhatsApp and share, or Instagram, or anywhere you want to share it to. Okay, so that's how to add music to your intro video. Pretty simple, and InShot does more than this, but for the sake of this tutorial, we're just looking at the surface of it. Okay, in subsequent tutorials we'll dive deep into the use of InShot. So enjoy. Thank you for staying with me. I still remain Prof Sammy, and I will see you in the next clip. Thank you and stay safe.